All right, welcome to Steve's Kingdom of Fun, I guess, or Steve's TV Kingdom, Steve's World. Hi, welcome to Steve's Kingdom TV. We're here in Nebraska today. We're gonna have some fun. Everything's fun with Steve. We gotta make it fun. I'm Steve, and today we're going to take this big thing called a tractor tire off, and we're going to put this new one on. Now, everybody's wondering, why do we want to do a silly thing like that? Well, this one happens to have a small problem. It's got a hole here. We have an inner tube, but it's kind of jeopardized, and also the tread is really thin, whereas it should have big lugs like this. It can pull better. You're wondering, how does the tire get that way? Well, obviously this is a high performance tractor, and the owner of it has been doing burnouts with it, and thus has caused it to wear out. No, that's not actually the case. It's just an old tire. So we're gonna start working on things. What we gotta do is we gotta jack it up. We're gonna try and do this on the tractor. I've never done it that way. My brother-in-law is gonna be coming to help me, and we'll see what we get accomplished. Well, we went ahead and we jacked up the tractor. We've let the air out of the tire. My assistant has gotten here. And my assistant today, helping me out, is going to be my brother-in-law, Jim.
Yo.
Jim's my brother-in-law. He's actually my wife's favorite older brother. So, it's a rare moment we get to work together. We're always working on our own stuff. So we're just gonna start working on this. We've gotten the air out of the tire, and we're gonna move forward. after a lot of battle, finally I've broken the bead. I am assisting, not leading this crusade. And the first words right now are hallelujah, but we still got to get the tire spun off the rim. So, we're on to that adventure. All right, after a lot of sweat, choice words, and sweat, tires off. Half the battle, well, 2/3, I think we're on the winning side. So, old Bessie is there. No more drifting or power braking with that wheel on the tire. So we're gonna go ahead and get a wire wheel, clean that up. I neglected to bring that, and I've assisted now, not leading this project by any stretch of the means. And we're gonna clean this up and put the new tire on. We're going with a radial tractor tire, and they don't require a tube. We removed the tube. Tube's fine. Tire's just shot. So, with any luck, a little dish soap on here after we get it shined up, and it'll slip right on. We're able to get the tire on the rim, and we're trying to beat it up now. We got some chains around the rim in case something were to let go, but no luck on beating. We got to get a lot of air in there, and might do the old ether secret weapon trick. So we'll bring you back when we're there. Finally got it beat up. Soap, secret weapon, and ether. Catch you later.